Don't wonder, this is probably the best summer drink ever created. Come on. Enjoy. Brazilian lemonade. You are watching Spice Trail. Let's start. Take the mixing glass. Add ice cubes. Add 5 to 6 lemon slices. Use fresh lemon for better results. Add 60 ml sugar syrup. Pour 60 ml chilled water. Pour 60 ml condensed milk. Gently muddle for 8 to 10 times. Too much muddling may cause bitterness, so be careful. Come on. Add 4 to 5 ice cubes. Fix mixing tin over the glass. Fix it tightly. Now shake vigorously. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now, slowly pour the mixture over the ice. Come on. Brazilian lemonade is almost ready. It's time for garnish. Fix a fresh lemon slice. A fresh mint sprig. Cheers. Thank you for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. You can check the description box for the recipe. Thanks.